Okay, and today I'm going to be unboxing my brand new Technika DAB radio alarm clock with a CD player built in. This is just to replace my old radio alarm clock because I wanted something that will accept DAB rather than just being a standard FM AM clock. It's a fairly basic DAB radio. It does FM as well. It's got a top-loading CD player and alarm clock function, obviously, because it'd be pointless having an alarm clock built into it if it didn't work. And it also plays a multitude of different CD formats: CD, CDR, CDR-W, and CDs with MP3 files on. It's also got an auxiliary input for an iPod or other MP3 playing device. So again, there's some pictures of it on the box. Again, fairly basic. Single slot CDR, 2 1-watt speakers, and it does FM in stereo as well as DAB. So opening the box. The first thing you'll see is a UK 13 power cable, known as manual, small remote control with tiny lithium battery, piece of cardboard, which probably some of you law saying that you've got to use cardboard instead of polystyrene or so. Taking the plastic sheet device, so it's got a glossy black finish with a silver front bezel. I go again with most of these cheap CD players. You push the door to open and close it. Got a fairly big screen, just a basic LCD. Snooze button, scan, enter various menu settings, power on, menu button, volume, switch between functions, adjust the clock, auxiliary input and headphone input on the back here. There's the antenna, and one thing that I hate with many modern electrical devices, a hardwired cable. Don't know why I couldn't have just used a standard 2-prong one. And then under here, space for a pair of AA batteries, presumably to keep the time in case it's a power cut. There's no handle on it. So again, yeah, it's just a basic DAB alarm clock. You can buy it for about £40. Follow this up with a review probably. Again, yeah, you can buy it from Tesco. It's their own brand, you can't buy it anywhere else.